What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best car seat heaters. Heated car seat covers are the best alternatives to heated car seats. They are much cheaper and safe to use, while heated car seats can be dangerous if not used or installed properly. There are a lot of products available to choose to car seat heaters, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car seat heaters product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SunnyColor Seat Cushion. We don't know much about the company that makes SunnyColor, but it's been selling this and other seat covers for several years, with very good ratings across products. SunnyColor's stylish and well-made heated seat cover has 91% positive reviews with an A review grade, and consumers report they are performing and holding up well. It's a larger seat heater than some choices, about 18 inches wide, with a back around 24 inches high, enough to cover bucket and truck seats. There are 2 elastic straps with hooks on the bottom, an adjustable cinch strap around the back, and a headrest loop to hold it in place. Like most heated covers, the cord is on the passenger side and is only 36 inches long, so if you have a wide vehicle and a center 12V outlet, you might have a hard time reaching it. SunnyColor says its heated cover gets warm in 2 minutes and reaches the 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees centigrade range. There isn't much difference between high and low settings, so it could be too warm for some people. Positive side of this product: gets very warm very fast, highly rated, attractive. Negative side of this product: no warranty information, shorter cord, Amazon exclusive. Number 2. Snailax Massage Seat Cushion. If a heated car seat isn't sufficiently opulent, Snailax, what a name, offers a seat cover that both warms your posterior and gives it a massage. Though to be fair, they say that it's not a deep tissue shiatsu massage, but the Snailax seat cover is undoubtedly better than a frigid, static factory seat. The massage is delivered by 6 motors with 5 massage programs, however, the heat is either on or off. The heat function does have an automatic shut-off feature to prevent overheating. The contact areas of the Snailax are soft synthetic fabric, while the reverse is finished with a slip-resistant rubberized material. A pair of straps also serve to secure the Snailax. The Snailax operates on 12 volts from your car's cigarette lighter or 120-volt household current, allowing it to be used at home or in the car. However, the 12-volt car adapter is sold separately. Order it here. The seat covers back and seat measure 25.4 inches and 16.6 inches respectively, and the maximum width is 18.5 inches. There are over 10,000 reviews for this product on Amazon, and over 80% of them are positive. Positive side of this product: heat and massage features, can operate on 12 or 120 volts. Negative side of this product: 12-volt car adapter not included, only one heat setting. Number 3. HealthMate IN9438 Velour Seat. The first product we picked is from a reliable brand, HealthMate, which has been providing several products related to fitness, comfort, and health since 1983. The car seat warmer IN9438 Velour is a perfect option for people who travel a lot or must take long journeys regularly. Its universal fitting ensures compatibility for most of the cars, RVs, trucks, and boats. As it comes with optional AC to DC adapter, you can also use it on office chairs who are not using in the cars. From durability point, this car seat warmer has soft velour covering and good quality lumbar cushioning, which ensures comfortable seating. In addition to that, it can last for pretty long, withstanding regular wear and tear. When it comes to working, you must plug it into your vehicle's 12V DC outlet, and it starts work. Isn't that simple? Once plugged in, it warms up quickly. So, you do not have to wait for too long to feel warm and cozy. In addition to that, it features adjustable heat settings that include high, low, and off. Number 4. MYNTA Car Seat Warmer. The next product on our list of best car seat warmers is from the brand MYNTA. Though it is not quite well-known brand, this car seat warmer has shown promising efficiency in our analysis. It is an ideal gifting option for yourself, friends, and family, as this car seat is a great companion while driving in winters. It is compatible with most of the cars, SUVs, trucks, and RVs. Unlike the first option, you can only use for car seat. Coming to the durability and reliability, this car seat warmer is made using soft polyester, which offers comfortable, cozy, and plush seating. Its back and seat surface are wide enough for tall and hefty personalities. You must connect the seat cover to 12V cigarette holder for operation. This car seat warmer warms up pretty quickly within a minute, ensuring warmth to hips, back, and thighs. Number 5. HCALORY Car Seat Warmer. Last but not the least product on our list is from HCALORY's store, which is well known for providing premium car accessories. The car seat warmer is the best option for people looking for premium option. Unlike other models, you can use it on driver and passenger seats. And moreover, it comes in a pack of 2 car seat warmers. These seat warmers have universal size, so it is compatible with most of the vehicles. It is made using premium quality materials which gives off high-end appearance. One of the main features that makes this product unique is the layered cushioning. It has 4 different layers to provide absolute comfort. The outer layer is thick plush fabric that provides soft touch. The next layer is full separation design which isolates the cold and makes the cover more comfortable. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.